At Emanate Health, our mission is to provide comprehensive care. That mission extends beyond your initial experience in our hospitals. In this video, you will learn why our cardiac rehab program is a vital next step in your recovery, and how Emanate Health is an integral partner in healing your heart and body after your procedure. Cardiac rehab improves quality of life, lowers the risk of death, and may prevent further complications in patients who've had a cardiac event or a procedure.
Recovering from cardiac disease is a continuum. It starts in the hospital by doing the procedures or getting the medications to make you feel better. However, it continues outside the doors of the hospital. And cardiac rehab is one of the main blocks that will help you to recover and get back to normal life. You might ask, why cardiac rehab? Once you leave the doors of this hospital, number one, we don't want you to come back here. We'd like you to stay in your community with your family and continue to recover. Cardiac rehab gives you the confidence that you can continue to exercise and continue to live a healthy life with supervision, which gives you the confidence to do that. And we have data that people who engage in cardiac rehab prevents them from coming back to the hospital and also might make him live longer. Therefore, we encourage every cardiac patient, once they leave the hospital, to engage with their cardiac rehab.
Hi, I'm Tony. Welcome to Cardiac Rehab, where you'll start phase 2 of recovering from your heart event. This includes exercise, education, and behavior modification. Typically, patients will start anywhere between 2 and 6 weeks post-op, depending on their event. We're located in the basement of Intercommunity Hospital at Emanate Health. Our program is nationally certified through the AACVPR, the nationwide gold standard for cardiac and pulmonary rehabilitation programs. Let's take a closer look at our program.
This is our new step where we typically start and end your exercise session. This machine aids in your cardiovascular strength, is user-friendly and non-weight bearing. This is our arm bike. Our patients benefit from this machine to improve cardiovascular endurance, develop muscle, and improve upper body strength. Cardiovascular exercise is very important for our cardiac patients. We focus on slowly increasing endurance and overall muscle strength. As we gradually increase your exercise program, you may begin to notice daily activities getting easier as you're able to do more throughout your day.
Hi Laura, how have the fundamentals of cardiac rehab aided in your recovery?
Well, Mike, cardiac rehab has taught me how to exercise properly. I've been instructed and received multiple demonstrations on how to use the equipment at this facility properly. This has allowed me to execute the workout plan that was created specifically for my physical needs. As I follow that plan, I'm able to return to my normal daily activities while improving on the errors of the past. The staff encourages me to incorporate exercise into my daily activities as part of that home prescription program. So I exercise daily when I'm not here so that I maintain a strong heart and adapt a healthy living style.
Exercise is medicine because our bodies were created to move. So as well as medicine benefits, exercise also has many benefits. It has the ability to lower the blood pressure, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, increase natural energy levels, and also just strengthen your body altogether. And with consistent exercise, you may reduce the use of prescribed medication.
Pump through that pulmonary valve and enters the pulmonary circulation. This is where you're going to actually pick up oxygen.
The education portion of the program is just as important as the exercise. Here, we will teach you about your risk factors contributing to heart disease and ways you can reduce your risk for a future heart event through lifestyle modification. Here are some classes that we offer: hypertension, lipid management, nutrition, stress management,
risk factors, benefits of cardiovascular exercise and resistance training, cardiac drugs, anatomy and physiology, and disease process. What has our education series taught you about recovering from your heart event?
Well, Tony, let me first say this. I was very impressed with the program as a whole. I liked the structure. It was well organized, and the staff from the front office to every therapist, they were highly skilled and very attentive. The educational part, I liked it as a whole, but I learned so much about the way the heart works. I learned about medications for the heart and diseases for the heart. So overall, I'm just really glad that I joined it.
So cardiac rehab is a little different than your regular gym in that it's a medically supervised education and exercise program designed to improve cardiovascular strength and endurance. So our team is multidisciplinary, and then it consists of doctors, registered nurses, respiratory therapists, exercise physiologists, a dietitian, as well as support staff. So all the patients that come into our program are monitored by telemetry, and then they're guided to the program by licensed personnel. And then all of us here are trained to evaluate and treat any emergency situations, as well as take vitals during your exercise session.
Hi, Ian. I understand that exercise after a cardiac event can be very intimidating. How do you feel the staff, the safety of the gym has helped you progress?
I feel very comfortable coming here. The staff has got me, very good hands, especially exercising after a cardiac surgery can be very scary. But I feel like knowledgeable staff has got me. Upon completion of this program, I feel comfortable to return to my physical demanding job with confidence.
Our experienced and well-trained staff is eager to help you safely recover from your procedure through education and a supervised exercise program. Participating in our cardiac rehab program is one of the best things you can do for your heart to regain control of your health. Cardiac rehab doesn't change your past, but it definitely improves your quality of life. Every little step you take toward heart health helps you to take the next step and the step after that. We are here for you, whatever it takes, to help you take that next step on your road to recovery. Thank you for choosing Eminent Health.